Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. Although there was some mess at the open, but I managed to catch the whole move. You can see here. So JMIA has about $1.61 ATR. Wow. And I caught most of the move. $1.64 move. You can see from here I caught most of it. There's some really bad price action. Like, just it was really tough to trade. You will see it here. It's just lagging. Like, the spread is crazy. 4 cents, 3 cent spread. That's why you have to keep using limit orders when taking profit. It was tough. It was tough. I'd say, but I'm surprised. I got a really good move in this one. See, it's rejecting this area again. And as you can see, this dropped about 30 cents. That's crazy. So you really have to be careful. You will get chopped at this one. So I took it short here. I got squeezed and I said, okay, since my risk is 40 cents somewhere at 30 area, I'm going to risk a little bit more, probably 19.50, and see how the price reacts in there. And it kind of closed right at 19.50, and I said, okay, it looks like it's holding. That's why I added here. And when it just dumped, and then look at that. But I was really risking high of days 960 area. I was like, okay, I'm gonna stop if it squeezes more, because it's a gap up stock. It's just, I didn't know it's gonna squeeze, but when it squeezed, the price was just really messy. So I know there's a point of return for this one. So I reduced my size in here, whatever I added in here. I even got all out because I thought it's gonna try one more at 1950, and I said, oh, I didn't. It closed within this candle area 1950, so I shorted it again $19, and I cashed the whole move. I caught the whole move and I added here. I thought it's gonna move more. No, I didn't. So yeah, I was out. I'm really happy about this trade. Really happy about this trade because it was really tough at first. But yeah, let's watch. But before everything else, you know what to do. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel for daily updates, and follow me on my social media accounts. If you have any questions, just comment down below. If you want to chat with me, you can DM me on Instagram or Twitter. And yeah, you can always search me and talk to me there. Let's watch. Here you go. I was actually closely watching just JMIA because the list today, the gappers list today, was really bad. It sells off here. I'm glad I did not chase this. If not, look at that. So I waited for a bit. Look at that. I should have took it long at $19, but I was patiently waiting because look at that. It was there. It's here. It's there. It's here. And the volume is only 500,000. And it's a nicey stock. I was looking at the price 79.80, so they're kind of lining up, but I was really scared. I didn't even take the long here. See, that was a crazy move. I didn't even take the long here because there was really no signs. Actually, I was waiting for it to get rejected somewhere at some point. I should have taken it short here. I really wanted short. That's the thing. I wanted short, so I shorted it here at 19 area. See, I was actually looking for $19 level. Stop was 1930. I was like, oh, gonna squeeze. I even canceled it. I said I'm gonna add at 1950. It's gonna squeeze and just drop. I've seen this pattern before. I don't know what it's called, but see, I even canceled. It's gonna go there. I'll wait for 1950. I'm gonna be more aggressive. So the candle is kind of, I mean, it hasn't closed, but I said if it closed, yeah, within this area, I'm gonna hold it. So it closed 1950. I added. My new average is now at 1916, so this is perfect. This is my new average. Added the same size, and if it goes above 1960, then I'm gonna stop out. But I didn't put any let's just stop order because, oh my god, this can just wick. This can just wick and then go back. Because as you can see, the price action, look at that, like large wicks. I said, oh my god, I reduced my size here. Took some profit, pretty good profit. Probably a third, 1/3 profit in there. Could have taken more, but I didn't. I wasn't greedy. I was just looking for the big drop from 19. I want this 1905 rejection. I was waiting for that flush. And I said, okay, let me head out here in case it makes new 1-minute high. Yeah, it did. I was watching again, looking for 19. I'm going to put a wider stop, probably 50-cent wider stop. There you go, 50-cent wider stop because it's just crazy. And it just dropped heavy. Almost a 50-cent move. I was like, what? So that's good. So our average is $19. And I was holding. I did not take a lot of profit in here because I was hoping that it's still going to continue. I said I'm going to stop out 19.15 or 19.10 area if it goes there. Still have enough shares, pretty good amount shares. At this point, I wasn't looking at level 2 actually. I was just looking at price because I don't know. I feel like there's really no point in looking at level 2. Just look at levels. That's where you should look. So took profit in there. 25%. Okay, there you go. That's the move that I was looking for. Okay. I reached my goal. Yeah, so at this point, I was actually looking for prices. I said, okay, if it goes 1880, I'll probably reduce my size, maybe take more. But the thing is, it's really having a hard time at 50 area. At this area, I got rejected here. So I added. Really smart. So new average is somewhere here. Yeah, 994, 93. Took profit. That's a really good ad. It did not make an engulfing. Just making lower highs. It's kind of double bottoming, so I took more because it's kind of double bottoming here. And candle is almost going to close now. Yeah, it closed, but still lower. Okay. Still holding a pretty good amount of shares. Yeah, I'm above my goal now, which is good. So I'm kind of like relaxed at this point. Just playing around with my last shares. I said, let's look at $18. It took most of my, almost all of my shares all out. I said I'm gonna add just for fun because it's probably gonna break more at 18. Added, see if it breaks 18. You know one. Then I'm gonna head out at 18.20 if it goes above that. Yeah. Woof. Yeah, so I'm all out. Pretty good trade. Pretty good trade. The only problem is I was in really early here. I should have waited for it to make a new low and close like here in this area. I was trigger happy again. Yeah, really trigger happy. But the thing is, oh my god, this is like, it's really spready. As you can see, $3, 3 cents, 4 cents, really spready. It's really tough to get filled and a really good price. And that was my struggle actually for this one. But so that's why I was looking at levels where to enter and exit. I was being careful because NYSE stocks are just tough sometimes. I feel like they like trading levels instead of what's this, a level 2 or whatever. So like you can see here, 1950, 1850. It's like about $1, right? Yeah, nothing really much. I was watching AAL Neo, but it's just on the side. I didn't really want to trade them because they're all mess. Like the list today was really bad. Let's look. I'm gonna stop this replay now. I'm gonna show you the list today. That's really bad. I did even trade JMIA. JMIA is the kind of stock that I don't really trade. That's why I was very careful. Yes, I know this will happen in JMIA. That's why I even added and held, and I'm just gonna get the hell out. It's 1960 if it makes new highs. But I felt that it's, I don't know, it's probably just trader instinct system somewhere. Something. Yeah, let's watch. Let's look at the list today. Yeah, so today looking at, it's mostly down because they're all red, as you can see. The correct one, it's mostly down, but there's one that caught my attention, which is JMIA, 1.2 1.2 million volume in pre-market. Average volume is about 19 million, so it's not really a mover. Yeah, so that's about, and then the float is 75 mil. I prefer above 150 or 100, but looking at the blue ones here, the ones that I like trading, they're not really that good. There's one here, AAL 1.36 million, but yeah, it didn't even move. We can actually look at AAL, but yeah. Neo was there. I did not trade Neo because it's also an icy stock. So I said, okay, let's look. And then what's this? Neo's pre-market was not really good. Let's look at, in my list I have Neo, AAL, and JMIA. Let's look at Neo. Yeah, Neo is good, but look at that. There's no volume first 2 minutes. It did the same thing again, the imbalance, whatever data. And then imagine if you catch this area, then that's good, but sometimes you'll probably chase it somewhere here. And then if you chase it, this is the only room that you have, you'll get stopped. You will short, and then you're messed up. But and see, like really confused where it's going. Next was AAL. AAL. Actually, AAL was pretty good, but look at the move. Only 37 cents. How will you make money from this? 37 cents. What, you trade 5 cents? 5-cent risk. That's why I did not really trade the ATR is 57 cents. No. That's why I only traded JMIA. Let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing really fancy today. Yeah, this was probably the thing that I didn't like about it, like adding to a losing trade. It's not a losing trade yet because I haven't really closed the trade, but adding is not really, at the open, it's not really a good idea. You'll lose twice. That's why I said I'm gonna stop at 1960, but I didn't put a stop order because it's gonna wick you out and then come back. Why I'm getting ready for my hotkeys to get out just in case in here. But yeah, I don't know if you have any questions. Yeah, please feel free to ask. If I have time, I'll reply. And follow me on, you know what to do. Time for the outro. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. Follow me on my social media accounts, Twitter, Instagram, everything. And that's it. Got nothing else to say. Thank you for watching and have a good day.